Oh damn! I keep recording these videos by mistake, but not by mistake, but you know what I mean. Just finished eating. Just wanted to get that out the way. It's a beautiful Sunday. It's Friday afternoon. It's supposed to be off today, but I'm at work. Happens, but it's okay. And I just wanted to talk about more the psychology side of this week. I got so confident in the past 3 weeks, coming from being in so much drawdown on my challenge, to passing the challenge, to getting funded, and then on top of that also, how do I say, like growing the account to like $5.5. And this is something I realized, is that I got too confident. I felt like there's no way that price could ever do me, dirty. I could just keep doing the same thing over and over. And I realized that the hard way, because I made essentially 10K in South African rands, and that's like, bro, that's a lot of money. That's good money. And that would have been well enough for me to just stop for the week and then come back the next week, take a break, and not have to trade every single day, dealing with the emotions and all that stuff. But because price, it will set you up for the next week, or it might just range, you never know. But I could have just chilled for these 2 days that I've been losing. I lost well over $100, probably 2K, maybe 3K, somewhere there. And it really hurt me, I won't lie. Like winning more money and then losing this little bit, even though I'm still up on the account, that hurt me, because it's like, what am I doing wrong? And it's like, okay, no, I'm overtrading. That's my problem. So at least I realize that now, before I just kept on going, because the week is done now, and I'm just like going over how the week was. Like, damn, I was really up like Monday, Tuesday. I just could have just stopped there. And then that brought me back to the point of, I need to set goals for the week. I need to set weekly goals for myself, so I preserve my capital, and as well as like come back with a fresh mind, fresh mentality, new I could even take 3 trades a week. That's fine. Where the less is really more, bro. Like I would have taken these 3 trades, because I'm currently up on this one. I don't know how far it is at this point. I'm still holding, but it's in profits at least. And I still lost in the morning, because I entered yesterday off a lower high, and I was somewhat in profits, but it was so little, and price wasn't really trying to push downwards anymore. And then it just started reversing. Then I caught the indication correction, and yeah, I'm in the continuation now. But it's like I should have just stopped the Tuesday, like Wednesday, Thursday, just chilled, because price was really choppy, and then maybe traded yesterday, but that would have been like a quick scalp or whatever, and then also traded today in the morning with this indication continuation correction. So I just realized I need to set goals, man. Like I need to set weekly goals of how much I want to make. That way, I once I make it, I stop trading. I preserve my capital. I come back the next week, because if I make a target of 10K a week, that's 40K a month. That's someone's salary. That's way more than the salary that I'm making right now. And I already replaced my job already, like for 2 months, maybe 2-3 months, and that's good money. And that's what essentially what I want to do now. So I'm gonna come into the next week just a bit better person, better week, fresher mentality. I'm gonna take the weekend off. Obviously I have to, but I'm gonna just go back and deal with my psychology, and not to get overconfident and overtrade and all that, and rather just focus on the process, focus on meeting my target for the week, and then taking time off. And then eventually those weekly targets will scale up as my account scales up. So it'll go from 10K a week to 20K a week to 30K a week, and bruh, it'll just, and obviously there'll be days where I go over that, because price is just, my bad, it's New York session now. And yeah, bro, so I just need to, that's what I realized. And well, I'm also not feeling too bad, because at least I have clarity as to why I was losing this week, and also why I was winning. So I just need to focus on what was I doing that was making me win. Keep doing that. What made me lose, stop doing that, which was overtrading. So yeah, and because you get overconfident, you get cocky, you think you can reprice, like it's gonna do what it wants for you and all that. Nah, price will move the way it wants to move. So yeah, man, I just needed that that wake up call, because essentially this is a journey, bro. You're gonna learn new things every now and then. As much as it clicked for me as to how to reprice, it's clicking for me like how to manage now, how to stay consistent, how to stay disciplined, how to not overtrade and stuff like that. So I'm realizing these things slowly but surely, but we'll get there, bro, for sure. We'll get there. So I'm still up on the week, still good money. I am planning on changing my approach now, because I'm gonna get another account and then just go back to basics and then trade. I'm gonna have my withdrawal on Monday, Tuesday, or whatever day it is, and then have that capital saved for my live account, because essentially I just want to trade live. I don't want to trade prop firms because I can't increase the lot size and everything, and it's kind of like stagnant. But I'll still keep the prop firm around, get another one, pass that one, and then keep growing this one to at least $500, withdraw again, and then withdraw again, or grow to 1,000, withdraw 5, and have that drawdown, have that $200 or $300 drawdown room and stuff. So that's the goal now. Just so I know that I've secured something, that the money's there, it's set aside for April when I go back to my live account. And then yeah, bro, we'll just ultimately see what price has for us. And yeah, I'll break down the trades that made me lose and break down the one that I'm in currently. It's New York session. Hopefully New York session is just gonna push that shit up. And then yeah, bro, we'll just see. But yeah, let me go back to work. I'm gonna be off for the weekend until Monday, by Tuesday, so at least I'll have Monday to trade or just analyze or whatever. And then yeah, bro, it's a journey. It's not a it's not a sprint. Hey, listen to me. It's a marathon. Just keep going. Feature me. Trust the process, bro. We got this. We're just learning. Now we know how to read. Now it's just focusing on when to enter, when not to enter. If we're up on the week already, we done. Made our target, we done. Like, stay disciplined. Don't get too greedy. Take what the market gave us, and don't donate the money back. Just keep it. Save it for the next trade. And the less you trade, obviously, the more money you make, and the less times you run into a bad trade and you end up losing that money and just giving it away for nothing. So just stick with it. I know I'm kind of tired right now. I already told myself I was going to be off today, but it's okay. We're just here on the rooftop. Just wanted to sit in the shade. It's kind of fucking hot out here. But yeah, man, we're just going to keep going. There's really nothing else to do. Future me, stay focused, bro. It's a good week. It's still a very fucking good week. It's a very good week. Don't feel bad. You did what you had to do. You know what you're doing now. You know what to look out for. Now you know the mistakes you shouldn't be making. So ultimately, that's it. So we're gonna come back stronger next week. We're gonna make back all these losses. Trust me, bro. Like, we're gonna find a good setup next week, and we're just gonna take that shit up. And I also realized that I am good at identifying sells more than I am buys. So I just focus on building. Oh, I've traded more sells now than buys. So I'm kind of like getting the hang of buying price up and stuff. But remember, ICC, it's indication correction. Wait for that correction, and then yeah, bro, we'll get there for sure. I'll break it down when I get back home. I'm going home today. I'll be back at my fifth place next week. But weekend I'm home, and then yeah, it's gonna be a good weekend. Just gonna chill. It's gonna be a crazy week ahead. So yeah. But anyway, we're out here to make money, bro. So that's what we're about. Stay locked in. Love you, bro. Peace. Yo, we back. We are home. Home safe. All thanks to God, you know. But we here, man. We here. So I'm gonna break down the trades that I lost with, and also break down the trades that I won with. So essentially, price just shot the bed the other day, and then I saw that it was pushing down. So I'm thinking, okay, we are in for sell again. And then I entered somewhere here, thinking we're gonna target this level of buys here. But no, came session, and I entered this like out of session, because this was like towards in session when we closed, because it just struggled to push above here. And if I just use the horizontal array, there's a level of sellers sitting here, right? Let me just mark it up, sellers. Yeah. So it was struggling to push above here, and then it just shut the bid. So I entered here, and then I got stopped out ultimately. And then come like today, gave us another new, not really a new low, because yeah, it was just chilling here. It didn't close below, so it didn't really indicate. And then in the morning, it just stopped me out, as you can see. I'm like, oh, okay, so we are in for buys now, because price indicated above the swing high here. I don't need this anymore, actually. Okay, I'm gonna keep it for TikTok, just so I can make a video for TikTok. But yeah, so we had this level here, sellers, right? Indicated above, corrected. Then I entered somewhere like around here. And then price just did the things, bro. Like my stop loss was somewhere here, like it was like a 117. It was like crazy rest to reward. It was somewhere here at first, and then I moved it up, and then yeah, look, KTP. I sent an alert for you because I wanted to see what was gonna happen, but price ultimately just struggled. I wanted it to close above. If it closed above, then I was gonna exit, but it didn't. So I was like, damn. And when I entered like around 1 o'clock, and I just forgot about it. Like I was checking, I was in profit, like, okay, cool. What if price ends up reversing, you know? But I was like, nah, we cool. And then, yeah, price just kept moving, bro. And look. And one thing I like about, okay, with the entries is cool. And what I like about this is that I can see where I can even get more entries and add more positions. Because this is move down, move up. That's a new higher low. Entered off of this candle closure. I would have been in drawdown for a bit, and then it just ultimately rocketed to the moon. I would have made way more money than, you know, what I initially said. So the first position would have been set at break even, and then yeah, just add more positions as price moves up. And this was a fucking good ass trade, bro. Like around 5, I didn't really check the trade around 5. I was just at work trying to clean up so we could leave and stuff. But yeah, bro, that's ultimately the trade. So this trade made me lose. This trade, I don't know what other trade I took, but I did try to take buys, yes, because it indicated above here. So once it moved up, give me a high low, I entered here, and then it just shut the bid and stopped me out. So I was like, okay, damn, I shouldn't have done that. It's fine. So yeah, so about like if I'm winning and I'm like winning, like I won twice already, Monday, Tuesday, then I'll price it Wednesday, Thursday out. Maybe come back Friday if I see something. But yeah, bro, I wouldn't want to like over trade. So I think 3 trades a week, 3 days out of the week, I need to trade, and I'm done and I'm cool and I'm set for the month, because I would have made way more than my salary had, you know, my live account. I would have double or triple or quadrupled my salary. So it's ultimately it, bro. Clean trade, and yeah, there's really nothing else to it. Made back most of my losses. I'm still up for the month. I'm still up for the week. So it's like, it's not really a bad. It's like, okay, I need to tweak. Like I need to stop and like start winning more and losing less, and that means trading less, you know. So yeah, man, trades by less. Nah, less trades. Ooh, less trades, cause less trades. Less trades you take, the more successful you are. But no, I'm gonna stick with my name. Less trades, LLC. Yeah, could probably make like a business, you know. Yeah, that's ultimately it, man. Good week, good fucking week, excellent week. I'm up $440 on my account, and yeah, man. Like what I'm thinking now, and I think I've settled on doing this, is I'm gonna check. Actually, nah, can I? I don't want to show the passwords and everything. Nah, I'll do it on the side. But anyway, I'm gonna go check how far my withdrawal limit is. Oh, my payout, when I can start requesting for a payout. And then from there, I will like see if I think I'm gonna withdraw. If I can withdraw by Monday, then I probably won't trade. or I will, because I want to leave. I'm gonna leave something, but my goal is to take out most of it and then buy another funded account, and then just keep doing and just have two where I risk less on the first one that I have now. Build it, build it, build it. So I would like patiently wait for proper setups, and then yeah, man. And then from there, just grow the account because I don't want to withdraw everything and I lose the account because I still want it, but I want to at least have that capital to my name. So I'm not sure, like, okay, let's see. I'll do this on here. I'll do this on here. Hopefully the rates go up or it stays like this. So I've got 440, right? So if I leave $100, that's 5.9, right? That I can withdraw. Obviously they're gonna take their cut. 5909 minus 20%. That's 4727. That's 4.7. That's good money. That's my money that I lost on Monday, the live account, and way more. You know, then I'm gonna leave $100. I think I'm gonna leave $100 in there, so I can at least have like $20 to risk for 5 trades to grow the account and just grow the account, and then from there I'll just keep growing it. I'll be fine because I'll have that cushion and plus the second account to trade with. So that's my thinking now for Monday when I go back to when I withdraw and get my payout. And yeah, man, I think it's crazy because I don't know what's the percentage of people getting payouts from platforms. Let's Google that. What's the percentage of traders getting a payout? Approximately 7% of traders get a payout from platforms. The success rate of 5 to 10% for passing challenges. And even fewer make it to a funded account where they can receive payouts. Damn. The percentage of traders who successfully end up payout from can vary from and some specific data points as low as 2.2% for one firm. Damn, bruh. So we're like in the top 2%. What? 7% achieve a payout after successfully passing the evaluation and meeting the firm's criteria. 7%, bro. I'm in the top 7%. But I'm fucking built different. No ways, bro. God did his thing with me. Like, no lie, bro. What? Damn. It really goes to show that, yeah, man, like, I couldn't have asked for a better year, way to end the year, bro. Like, I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful, like, that I'm here now. I'm receiving a payout, bro. I'm gonna receive a payout. And I've made back the 2,000 that I lost. And I told myself that I'm gonna make that 2,000 back. And I did. And I doubled it. What the fuck, bro? That is insane business, bro. That is insane, bro. That is legit insane. I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel. Like, I'm just grateful, bro. I'm blessed. I'm hella blessed right now. And bro, the future me, I told you, there's a video that you start seeing everything play out like the way it should. And look now, shit is happening, bro. Shit is happening. Damn. I'm gonna check how far, if they count the days also on weekends. So I don't know if the 14 days also includes weekends. I hope it does. So I know next week I'm gonna receive a payout. I probably not gonna want to trade until I get the payout and then leave $100 in there, which is fine because it's something, and then just risk a bit less, or still keep the same risk, but then like really aim for like those proper setups if they're there. We don't know, but yeah, bro, like I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. But we'll have a video. We'll have a video breaking down like what I expect for next week on both pairs. But UK 100's been giving me most of my money and most of my payouts. Um, German 30 is still gonna trade it. Still gonna trade it. I'm just gonna stick to UK 100 for now because it gives me, even though the spreads are low, but like I still have more chance because German 30 is alpha giving, like it needs proper capital, so I'm probably gonna use that to pass the funded first, and then yeah, pass the funded. Again, have two accounts, and then just alternate from both of them. Then get my brother's account, have him pass it as well, and yeah, man, we'll just we'll just um we'll just take it from there. I just want to thank God. Ultimately, also thank myself for getting to this point. Like I don't know. I don't know, man. It's been so rough. Like losing and losing. It's like no, I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna make this work. Like I've been like, bruh, this whole year, it's crazy, bro. Like I'm gonna make back everything I lost this year, just learning how to trade and blowing my accounts. Like 2026 is gonna be crazy, bro. It's gonna be the best year, the start of the best like life ever, bro. I can just see it, bro. Like I just know I'm not working like at a 9 to 5. I'm trading full time. I'm living. I'm doing like what I want to do. I'm traveling, taking care of my mom, bro. My brother's eating as well. He has his own bag. I was like, bro, where the rich friends at? Cause y'all free, Y'all got time. You can go do shit. But anyway, let me leave it at that, bro. I'll break down a video on what I anticipate for the coming weeks. And yeah, do a little back testing video, and then yeah, bro. And to do that as well for this weekend. Oh, and it's a long weekend at that. Like I want to go back to work on Tuesday. Thank God, bro. Yo, like at least Monday I have time to just analyze and look at the charts and monitor and everything, and just get more content recorded, and then it'll be nice, bro. Be nice. And Tuesday you get paid. Tuesday I'm heading back to my friend's spot again, just for that week, just for this week, and then that other week I'll be at home for the whole week, just chilling. Because next week it's gonna be a busy week in terms of like Black Friday and all that stuff. And then that weekend we're gonna have more gaming content. Like we're gonna be playing Marvel 2Con. We're just gonna play the beta. We got the beta. Got invited to the beta, and then yeah, just stay tuned. Like subscribe to my YouTube, bro. Like it's crazy. I'm gonna be playing it live if I'm allowed to. I have videos recorded, and yeah, bro, it's gonna be lit. Anyway, let me sign out, edit this video, and then we'll be out. And I want to get back to making music now because I got my interface and I got my mic set up. Baby. So we're definitely gonna be locking in. Coming my energy aid just to stay up, And yeah, bro, that's it. Peace out. I gotta end this. Yeah.